Hi guys, what's going on? Here to tell you a little bit about Beaute I might be saying this wrong, Grandiose palette. It is an eyeshadow palette. I literally just ordered it and got it in the mail and I'm so happy. I love how I'm like a beauty junkie. I always love to try like new makeup and hair products, stuff like that. So I love that this is like a black box with gold. I think that looks really classy together. Really pretty. I love the design on it. I think it looks really, really nice. Also even makes a nice gift for someone. I think this would make an excellent stocking stuffer. On the side rather, it says Grandiose palette. Let's take a look. Let's open it up. So it's really pretty. It has that nice black and gold design inside. Very, very pretty. And then here are all the different colors. I think they're so pretty. This is great for like the holidays, a night out, whatever the case is. Really, really pretty. So the first color here we have is Jasmine. This is like a beautiful, this is like a typical color that I actually would wear every day. It looks similar to what I wear every day on my eyelids. It's very pretty, very shimmery. I have brown eyes, but I think that this palette would look good on everybody, but specifically brown eyes because they're so neutral that like really any color can work. But yeah, it's like very pretty, like shimmery, like a goldish, beige-ish off-white color. Very, very pretty. Then we have like an orangey color, the Clove, Myrtle. This is almost like an orange brown color. Also very shimmery. I like that every other color. So it's like a shimmery color and then a matte color and then a shimmery color and then a matte color. So it's kind of like a pattern, which I think is really nice. Cinnamon, I think this could go great in like the creases of your eyes. Really pretty as well. Patchouli, I think it looks more brown in person, but in the color here it looks very yellow. It's actually really more brown than yellow, but I guess it has some yellow undertones. Rose, really pretty. Pink, hot pink shimmery. This would look great on like a night out, also depending on what you're wearing. And Poppy is like a nice red, great holiday color. I think that this would look good in the crease and then this on the eyelids because this is like a really pretty brownish gold, very pretty holiday color too. So we have Patchouli, Rose, Poppy, and Primrose. Really, really beautiful colors. And I like that it has, because I had this shipped to me. I heard about this from my friend who is a makeup artist, and she was like telling me how she loved this palette and how it's like pretty inexpensive for great quality makeup and beautiful colors and everything, perfect for the holidays. So she told me to check it out and try it, which I'm really super happy that I did. And I like that it came with this like protect and shield, which is great during the shipping. And I just love it. It's so pretty. It's like it looks like a clutch. It's almost like too pretty to just be sitting in my makeup drawer. Okay, so let's take a look at the back. So it actually came in this little package right here when I had it shipped. So on the back here it says the Grandiose palette features 8 beautiful colors that's sure to make every eye looks stunning. Ingredients: Jasmine, Myrtle, Rose, and Primrose. In those colors has mica, phenyl, trimethicone, synthetic fluoropylopite. I'm sorry, I'm butchering these. Talc, kaolin, magnesium stearate, dimethicone, caprylyl glycol, phenoxyethanol. May contain titanium dioxide, Cl77891, iron oxide Cl77491, Ci77492, FD&C red number 40, Al leak Ci16035. Ingredients in the Clove, cinnamon, patchouli, and poppy, mica, talc, synthetic fluoropylopite, phenyl trimethicone, sorry, struggling here, octadelstearyl stearate, magnesium stearate, silica, nylon 12, dimethicone, caprylyl glycol, phenoxyethanol. May contain titanium dioxide, iron oxides, FD&C red number 40, Al leak, FD&C yellow number 5, Al leak. Sorry for butchering those. Just wanted you guys to see the ingredients. Distributed by Ace Beauty LLC in Texas, USA. It is a cruelty-free product. Yay! It doesn't test on animals. Made in PRC. Net weight is 15.2 grams or 0.54 ounces. And the website is www.acebeauty, spelled with an E, .com. There's the barcode there. Has the little cruelty-free label. caution and warning, discontinue use if signs of rash or irritation appear. So overall, I think these colors are beautiful. I love that they have 4 shimmer shades and 4 bold mattes. The palette is basically all you need to create unlimited eye look. The eyeshadows were carefully milled and pressed to deliver intense pigmentation and easy blending. So I'll do another video on my favorite brushes that will go with this, but yeah, I hope that you guys will love the colors. I'm like so excited. I haven't like gotten ready for the day yet, and I'm just so excited to like apply these colors. I'm definitely going to do Jasmine on my eyelids because I'm just going to work today, Myrtle in the crease, and then I'm probably going to put Jasmine back under my eyebrows and blend it really nicely. And I'm in love with these colors, and then the rest I can't wait to wear to certain Thanksgiving, Friendsgiving, and Christmas parties I have coming up because they're such pretty colors. So I hope you guys found the video useful. This was Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, and I thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.